Hi guys, I'm back and I'm happy that you are back as well with me and my nail fantasy. Let's have fun with our nails. In this video I show you a nail art that was part of a collaboration that was organized by my lovely YouTube friend Judy from Judinka Nailart. Thank you so much, Judy. And the theme this time is before the last snowman melts. For me this is like we kick winter's butt because we have enough from winter and we want to get it out of here. So this is the last winter design, for me at least, I'm gonna do. As always with collaborations, I will link all the channels for all the participants in the description down below. So please check it out and check out all the wonderful designs the ladies did. They will be happy if you leave them a like or a kind comment. Also, as usual with collabs, Judy has prepared a nice collage of all the designs. You have seen it already in the beginning and you will see it in the end. It's always nice to see all the different angles everybody comes up with for a certain theme. Now we go into what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some penguins and of course also a snowman today. And I used for my base that I have already prepared a base coat as always, and this Essie Meet the Parents, which is a little streaky in the first coat, but I only need one coat because afterwards I applied a gorgeous glitter, as you can see. I always use Orly Bonder before I apply glitter or chrome powders or holo powders or whatever pigments powders, because this one gives you a sticky finish and you can easily apply all kinds of glitters and pigments on regular nail polish. This is what I did. I used this fluffy eyeshadow brush to apply this gorgeous We Heart Nails UK glitter. This was my favorite glitter shop, but she decided she wants to do something else and she doesn't sell glitters anymore. So I got one of the last deliveries and this is a gorgeous, look at it, blue, silver, shimmer glitter. It's like Frozen coming to life on my nails. Gorgeous, looks just perfect and it's really easy to achieve. Then I put on 2 coats of a regular Sally Hansen Insta-Dry top coat to have a smooth finish for stamping. And I will stamp today with Funky Fingers white and black. And I have 2 polishers from MoYou London and this one is pink and blue velvet. I'm gonna show you why. I stamped today with my Big Bling from Clear Jelly Stamper, and I have a stamping blade from Clear Jelly Stamper that I have had for a while. This one is CGS C03. I think they brought it out last year, and it has all these gorgeous layered images, little adorable penguins. I always wanted to have penguins on my nails. And then I have snowman. Here I have a snowman, so this fits the theme perfectly. Of course, these are the parts where I use the black and the white, and then I have little scarves for the penguins and little hats. Look how cute. And I have, of course, all the important things for the snowman, like the hat and the carrot and the buttons and everything. So this is where I use my blue and pink polish. I will also use this Winter Wonderland here on one of my nails because I think it's also fitting for this design. And that's already it. We go right into the stamping, and before that I show you how I did my base with the glitter, how I applied that and how that worked out. You know the drill. I will speed up the video, so sit back, relax, grab a cup of hot cocoa and watch me stamping. I'm back. Here's my little penguin parade, and I have some snowmen on my thumbs, really adorable designs. I decided not to give them little hats but stick with the little scarves instead. Then I have here the winter wonderland with a snowflake, and here on the other side as well, and they sparkle really nicely. What do you think? Do you like it? Really cute little penguins. Yeah, this is my design for the before the last snowman melts nail art collaboration. Thank you so much, Judy, for the invitation and for the organization. As always, it was so much fun to do this one. And guys, don't forget, down in the description are all the links to the channels to all participants, and they will be happy if you stop by and check out their videos as well. That was it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comments box below. If you enjoyed the video, give me a snowman thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There will be a bubble coming up with my picture over here. Just click on that. Doesn't cost you anything and you will not miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a wonderful time wherever you are, and ta-ta till next time.